Ilja and I want something a bit curly but still a bit natural, so a bit messy. And the color that we picked out together, which is a bit warm, I think.
Yes, it is.
Blondish.
Copper blonde, yes. Will you turn so they can see how your hair is now? Because in the end of the video you're still coming back. Yes, nice. Thank you very much. Eens kijken hoe bijzonder dit is. Gaaf, hè?
Dat is cool, ja.
En hij kan nog dichterbij, kijk.
Wow.
Hoe mooi
Terwijl
dat is.
het geen hele grote lens is.
Nee. Hello friends on YouTube. Gonna do this young lady's hair. Now we're gonna start with washing her hair because we're gonna start with perm, getting her permed in a natural way. So she wants a messy hairstyle, and what you hear, she get also color. The cut I'm going to do with the T.K.S haircut, so we don't take much off, because when she has curly hair, this look a lot shorter. So starting with washing, and then I'm back to show you which rollers I use. Wash the hair with a deep cleansing shampoo, and now I'm gonna roll in some rollers. I'm gonna use rollers that click into each other, so I have no rubber bands on it, so it's much better for hairs. And I can get a nice wild hairstyle with it. Start at the front, take a paper, start with a large roller, slip the hairs into it so don't get split ends, roll it on, take other roller and click it on. So do all her hair. She feels wonderful, she told me. No, it's not true. Her granny will be proud of her. Secure my cotton wigs. Put them around her head. All around her head.
Inside the ear, yeah.
Inside the ear. It's very important. Otherwise they drown. Help, help, my ear is drowning. It's the first time she has a perm, so all things are new to her. I'm going to use this perm lotion, it's for over hair. Start applying the fluid. Set her head a little bit to the back. Apply it on the rollers. And watch till I see the fluid laying on the hairs. There's always a shine afterwards. Voelt vreemd, hè?
It's koud.
Yeah. It's koud, it means it's cold. But sometimes you see translation on YouTube. Google makes sometimes videos with translation. And on the lines.
It's in my ear.
It's never enough.
It's like a wet finger in your ear.
Oh yes. I never tried that.
No, don't.
Girls and feelings. This I leave on her hair for about 50 minutes, then I control it. And every time I take some time on it when it needs it, till I get the real nice curly shapes. Tell you afterwards how long it took. And when the rollers are ready, gonna rinse it out. First water the hairs for 5 minutes. Then fixating, neutralizing, or both 5 minutes, and then we're back and put a toner on her. Talk about the smell. For her it's the first time. For me it doesn't smell because it's not a real ammonia smell. But for her, of course, it smells. Close it up. Set my clock at 50 minutes. Control it. And afterwards I'll tell you how long it took. Put a towel over it, because we don't gonna work with wand. I need wand for herself. So we'll be back. Hello, back. I see the rollers have a very trendy styling. So now we're going to apply a color. We use a 8-4 in a toner. So I bring this on with a bottle and massage it into the hairs. Developer of this is 1.5%. That's about 5 volume. So it's not much. So I apply it on all the hair. Then close this, wait for 20 minutes, then rinse it out. Make a photo of this product into the video. It's a glint product. And the nice thing is because the developer is this light that it don't damage the curlies effect of the rollers. So the perm don't get hurt by the color. Okay, we're back from coloring. Now it looks very natural. So now I'm just gonna cut the ends of her hair, not much of there, because she wants to leave it a bit long. Then we're gonna style it in a messy hairstyle. Gonna do the haircut, what I told you already, with the T.K.S haircut of Jaguar. Gently combing the hairs. And thank God the hair is in a wonderful condition. Start the neckline. Parting on the skull bone. Lager, die lager. Put my scissor on 140 degrees Celsius. Yeah, that's hot. Take the hairs down, put them in a straight line, and take off about a centimeter. The nice thing is that the hair stays strong and sealed. In her case, because we have a color and we have perm for about 4 months. There are people on YouTube who are doubting about the truth about the scissor. Believe me, I would never lie as a hairdresser and telling you that it is not okay, because I always think when you tell the things you certainly want to share with you, because there's the best things I want to share with you, all my love for being a hairdresser, and this tool belongs to it, because the hairs are really much better and my customers all really like it very much. And if there is a hairdresser who tells me it's not the case, that guy or girl is lying, because the only thing why you should not do this is because your customers stay away for a longer time. But believe me, they are more happy when they come back when you do it with a T.K.S haircut, as that they come every 6 weeks and you have to cut off a centimeter of hair, because then they are going to tell themselves and to their girlfriends, don't go to the hairdressers, leave it for a time. And then they have split ends for 4 centimeters or something like that. So it's just the truth that I tell you. I can also show you a photo of it if you like it, but then you set it in the comment that you see the difference of the hairs. See how nice wavy the hairs are. Take every time about a centimeter hair. Don't pull on the hairs. Leave them in the natural form. Take them up and graduate. Boing. Somebody's on the phone. Do the same on the other side. Turning it in and give it a slight graduation. Pull the hairs up. Watch the curly effect. And take a new line on it. And so I work till I get on the front. Coming at the front, lady has a natural form. The first part on front of the ears. From the hair straight down. Watch at the dry ends. Connect the lines to the back. Take the eyes up again. Give it a slight graduation. And do this on both sides. I really love the color. It's a bit like tea. Ja, maar die kan de hele tijd aan het stuk uit de hele gaten. Want die snoer in je hangt. Put the hair on top. Take the hair up. Always in the center. Take off the dry ends. Lay the hair aside. Take a new line on. And when I'm ready with this, I'm gonna blow dry it using a foam. Blow dry it with a diffuser. And try to get as much curly effect out of it that I put into it. But still in mind, it has to be a rough curly effect and not wonderful like grandma. She's not on that way yet to be a grandma.
Please no.
No. Thank God not. Control the roundings of the hairs. Dat is toch hier rustig, hè? Het is echt wel een super lekkere plek eigenlijk.
Ja.
Moest het begin zo lang wennen.
Dat het zo stil is.
Ja.
Ja.
Het is altijd zo stil.
Die schaart met vallen.
Ja. En eerst hadden we zingende muis hier ook. Dat is minder. Push the hairs up. And now I'm ready with the cut, so now I can dry the hair. Can blow dry the hair, of course, with a diffuser
Blow dryer.
and a blow dryer.
Not with a phone.
No, but I have to use a foam. That was the word, a foam. Really nice foam. Not too strong. I take a soft foam, velvet. It's a product of Glitz. Take a nice amount of it. Apply it on the hairs. And this smells a lot better than the
Oh, it does.
Perm lotions. Gently massage it into the hairs. Softly blow drying, take the time. When I get to the top, I put her upside down to get more effect in it.
Hey, maar zoveel tijd ga ik nooit nemen om het te föhnen, hè?
Ja, heb je ook niet nodig.
Oké.
Gewoon handig droog knijpen en klaar.
Ja, precies. Ik wil iets doen aan mijn haar, maar...
Iets zo?
Ja,
Klein beetje.
minimaal, ja.
Ja, maar dat is het leuke van dit, hoef je ook niks aan te doen eigenlijk. Kijk, ik droog het omdat het dan mooi heel gefilmd staat.
Ja.
En de kleur mooier is. De kleur is mooi hè?
Ja.
Heel mooi zacht. Ja, ook trouwens. Lekker zacht. Nou, we staan nog steeds te filmen. Oké.
Supercool.
Sofa blow drying. Ja, lekker.
Super cool.
Super cool. Even een leuk product. Kijk eens deze het. A shaper is makkelijk. To finish this I used a shaper. It's a product of Glint. It smells really nice. And this shaper I use also a little bit diamond gloss. Apply this totally over my hands. And the nice thing is when you put a diamond gloss into the shaper, especially with curly hair, you can really style the hair, because when you use the shaper only, it sticks to the hairs. And now I can really go with my hands through the hairs without getting stuck. And bring that power of the shaper in it. And see how wonderful the color is.
I feel like a lion.
You are. Don't take a mistake in biting. I'm hungry. I do this after my work, and I've been working from 8 o'clock in the morning, and now it's 15 minutes after 9 in the evening. So.
And I still trust him.
Thank God for that. Even with burning ears. No. I thank her for being my model. I thank you for watching. How does your hair feel?
So soft.
And a lot of hair.
A lot, yes.
A lot of hair.
Nice.
And wild enough?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. She will turn. We see each other next time in the next video. Bye bye. Oh. Wat turbodraai. Ik weet niet eens of het wel even uit opstaat. Ja, is dat wel.
Heb je het?
Ja, doe maar, draai nog maar een keer. Andere kant. Super leuk, schat. Lekker kopje wild haar nu.
Ja,
Echt leuk.
ik voel me echt in de nieuw.
Ja.
Well, I'm Ilja and I want something a bit curly but still a bit natural, so a bit messy. And the color that we picked out together, which is a bit warm, I think.
Yes, it is.
Blondish.
Copper blonde, yes. Will you turn so you can see how your hair is now? Because in the end of the video you're still coming back. Yes, nice. Thank you very much.